Embracing Naked Yoga, a guide to practicing and its benefits for stretching and relaxation. Welcome to the liberating world of Naked Yoga, a unique practice that unites the body, mind, and spirit. Naked Yoga strips away the barriers of clothing, allowing you to connect deeply with your breath and movements. It's essential to create a safe, comfortable space where privacy and temperature can be controlled to your preference. Begin with simple stretches, focusing on your breath and the sensations in your body, embracing vulnerability and strength. As you progress, integrate poses that challenge balance and flexibility, celebrating each movement and the freedom it brings. Naked Yoga not only improves your physical flexibility but also enhances mental relaxation, reducing stress and improving body confidence. Embrace this practice with an open mind, and experience the profound connection and liberation that Naked Yoga offers.